Well, she's finally home. I'm Rick, and this shut the heck up, you stinking boosters. For your sanity. This is the shack. Hey everybody, welcome. Just a quick video on me finally getting my truck home. Things didn't go planned, but things rarely go as planned. I originally went over there to get the engine taken out. Fortunately, he wasn't feeling too good and having a lot of issues with just personal things going on, so needed the truck out of there. Ended up going down getting bolts for the bed, bolted the bed, so secure it. Called the tow truck company. It was getting late and called like 7:30 at night. I'm getting ready. I got my men's study and stuff. I'm not even there in my church, so just a lot of mishap. Ended up going to a local rental place, picking up a trailer, loading this up ourselves and bringing it home. Once I got it home, another major issue. When I got the truck off the trailer, but it wasn't rolling. Took a lot of time, finally got it off, because I figured once it was off trailer I could just pull it out from underneath it. Wouldn't go. And over there, I don't know if you can see them or not, there's like a couple of mounds. I actually my truck buried almost to the rim. I had to dig it out. It was just a major pain. I'm glad I had the trailer for 5 hours, because when I got back I had like 27 minutes left, 25 minutes, something like that. It was just one of those days. So just quick recap, everything going on, getting her home. That's it on this video. So black truck down, black truck is at the house. So I got a shout out and question for everybody out there, especially if anybody knows the gentleman over at Truckmaster, if you watch his channel at all. I need somebody like that can possibly help me out. I want to find somebody to help me finish this truck, but not in California. You know, that's open for discussion. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell, because I am taking a road trip next week. This is going to be a crazy year. But again, if anybody knows anybody like in anywhere out of state, hit me up, comment. Better yet, just direct email me. We can discuss things, and who knows, maybe I can get one of those guys that do all that work on the truck, especially because that's got a diesel in it. It's got a Cummins in it now. And I want to convert it to a full-wheel drive. Let's just get in the video. That's it. I got to get prepped and ready for my road trip. This is an update on the black truck down. 2 weeks ago, I went over and I put the wheel stuff on. It's sitting on its own power. My friend finally got the motor mounts and tranny mounts done. So today, what I'm doing, we're gonna go over, we're gonna pull the engine out so you can do the final welding on the mounts. Then I can reinstall the engine and this thing can finally come home. And we can start the next phase, which is tearing the engine apart. Sending out to the machine shops and completely rebuilding it with all the new upgrades. Should get about 500 plus horse out of it now. That'd be real nice. Don't need 1,000 horsepower, but 500, 600 horse would be really good. I would enjoy that for now. So let's head over and get this going this morning. Been a little rough. I kept forgetting stuff. I spilt my coffee, had to remake coffee, got everything out in the truck, and I'm sitting there looking at it thinking, where's my keys at? Oh heck, I forgot my keys too. It's just been one of them strange mornings. Let's hope the rest of the day goes well. Well, things kind of changed. My friend isn't feeling too good, really doesn't want to do much today, so unfortunately this isn't going to be working on the truck at all. Basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get it to my house. So I'm off to go down to a bolt place. I got to get 4 bolts so I could secure the bed to the frame, and then I'm just going to call the tow company and have it towed to my house, and I'm just done with this. So now it's not a work, it's just a retrieval, a recovery, if you will. So when I get back, I'll show you what I'm going to do. We're going to bolt the bed back on with the spacers because I have a 2-inch body lift, and that's going to be it. And then I'm going to call the tow company and see about getting my truck towed home tomorrow. It is what it is. So now I need to find somebody that can help me finish this truck. Okay, as you can see, it's all bolted in. Final welding hasn't been done, but again, we're not going to do the final welding. We're just going to get this to get to my house, get it out of the way over here so he doesn't get in trouble. What I'm going to do, I have to secure the bed, and I have the blocks on it now, so I'm going to raise the bed up. I bought some bolts, put my bolt through. I got to put the spacer on there. As soon as I get this on here, I can get a tow truck, get it to my house. I found the hole. I got all the dirt cleared out. Now I think I got enough room because it's on the blocks. Yeah, it'll fit. Set that on there and we'll get that thing out of there. Okay, slide this over here. Now I have to get the bolt through there. There we go. That's in. Okay. There. Okay, cool. See if it's in there. Shouldn't let me play. What is that thing sitting on? Oh, I see. There we go. Yeah. All right, that's one down, 2 more to go. I already got one in front, so I got 2 on the right side to put in. Well, she is sitting the best she's going to be. I'm not a body person, so I can't line it up, but it's tight. It won't go nowhere. It's got actually sitting pretty level. If you think about it, for having a Cummins engine sitting in the front end, that's really, really nice. Just so you can see, I got there. They're in, it's bolted, they're snug. I got my shackles. Oh, you know what? I may have to tighten those up. But other than that, it's about ready. So I think we're done. that's going to be it today. Yeah, I think it's just time to get this thing home. So tomorrow, or even when I get home, I'm going to clean up. I'm going to make some phone calls, see about getting the tow truck and get this thing out here and get it to my house. I'll just figure out some way, or try to find somebody not in California, somewhere that can help me finish this. I'm on a limited budget. I got everything I need. I just need to get it together. I need a little bit of help to finalize this, and then take it all apart and get the bodywork done. But that's another thing. It's officially on its own power, and it's ready to come home. Other than final welding, I can technically call this done at this point anyway.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change.
that was completely frustrating. I literally have an hour to get back to take this trailer back. That should never have taken that long. I don't know why that truck wouldn't come off the trailer. I couldn't get it to move. I had to dig my truck out. I'm done. It's off. I'm heading back to the damn rental place. So that's it, we're done. Truck is officially home. And we're done with this video. The heck with it. We'll just see you next video. We're done.